Hi everyone, my name is Ich Xu, and this is my growth and development reflection for Innovate 203. Over the past week, I've learned that entrepreneurship isn't only about ideas or success, but about mindset, especially how we deal with the challenges and the uncertainty. In this reflection, I'll share what I've learned from the course, my e-waste project, and how my attitude toward learning and perseverance has changed. One of most valuable lessons I learned came from the topic of gift and growth mindset. Before this course, I thought perseverance simply meant working hard no matter what. But through reading by Duckworth and Burton, I realized that real gift is passion combined with perseverance for long-term goals. And a growth mindset means believing that abilities can improve through effort and feedbacks. I remember in Module 4, when we studied donate methods, ideas of leverage points that changed how I think entrepreneurship. Instead of doing more, I learned of focus on where my action makes the biggest impact. In our e-waste project, I presented slides on the better levels. At first, I was nervous because I wasn't sure if my section was meaningful enough. But as I connected it with the entrepreneurial trap, I started to realize I was applying system thinking in real life. This made me feel more confident about my ability to think strategically, not just act quickly. Working with my team was another big learning experience. At the beginning, we had a disagreement about our projected direction. Some members wanted to focus on recycling technology, while others, like me, want to explore system-level change and consumer behavior. It was stressful and I felt frustrated. But after learning about psychological safety from Amy Edelmanson, I started to understand that disagreement itself wasn't the problem. What mattered was whether people felt safe to speak honest. So I changed my option. I started asking open questions instead of defining my own ideas. Gradually, our discussion became more balanced and creative. During our research, when I was nervous about my part, my teammates encouraged me, and that support helped me perform better. I learned that teamwork is not about alone. It's more like the teamwork that is very better to everyone. Looking back, this course changed how I faced learning and future. I used to be afraid of mistake, but now I see the future as an important step in growth. So when we made early mistake in our slides, or when our idea was changed, I learned to take feedback as a part of a proceed. I also learned from other members' idea of the reflection. That reflection itself, the professional skill, it helps us continuous improved state and repeating the same pattern. In the future, I want to apply this lesson by focusing on long-term goals and by identified leverage points in my own life. For example, instead of trying to do everything at once, I will focus on the action that create real change. To sum up, Innovate 203 has helped me grow, not just a student, but as a thinker and a credible. I will learn to be more patient, more reflective, and more minded when facing the challenges. Thanks for you listen to my reflection.